put the power button off. So we've discovered something that for the baby care, very good using it. I pause it, open it, and then and once it ends, it goes off automatically. That's how it works. Now that I came and I saw the softener slot, I didn't remember that I forgot to put softener here. 1 hour. It's going to wash, rinse, and then spin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amarakompo here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Hisense top loader washing machine, the 8 kg in particular. I'm going to be showing you how to use the baby care functions. I've got a new baby in the house, so I'm going to be using this to wash his clothes this morning. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. So let's get right into the video. I've sorted out my clothes here. I've sorted out my clothes here. As you can see, they're baby clothes. Put them into the tub. So these are baby clothes. I've been hand washing these clothes for quite some time now, but I think it's high time I started using the washing machine to wash his clothes because they're getting more. So I've put all the clothes. You see that they're all light colors. So I can wash them together. And I'll go ahead and put my detergent. Guys, if you've watched my previous videos, you see I usually recommended quite kind of pricey foreign detergents or something like that. But I've come to realize that local brands do a good job also. So I'm currently using Good Mama, which is really affordable in the market right now. So that's what I'm currently using, and they're doing a good. It's been good using it. So I put my detergent in the detergent box. I'm going to push it back in and close the top. I'm going to put the power button. Then for the program, I'm going to press the button till it gets to the baby care. Once it gets to baby care, I'll go ahead and press the start button. You'd see that the baby care is automatically 1 hour. It's going to wash, rinse, and then spin. So this is the first time I'm using this program. Okay, see what I realized about the baby care. It has gone to hot automatically, but mine is just connected to cold. So it means I can't use this because I didn't connect the hot water pipe to a heater. I don't have any heater in this bathroom, so I'll just go ahead and take it off from there. I'll put it off. I'm going to put it off so we can clearly see that the baby care needs to go with hot water. Let me see if I can change it to cold. See, it's not cooperating with me, so it means I can't use the baby care. It's still not going, so I'm just going to put it off. Put the power button off. So we've discovered something, guys, that for the baby care, you need to have it connected to the heater. So I'll go ahead and use the normal one I use often, which is the fuzzy. So I'll put it, it's on already, and I'll just press the start button because it remains at cold. So guys, if this is the first time that you're watching my videos, I currently have many videos on my channel showing how to use this washing machine from the very beginning to the very end. So if you are yet to see any of them, I'm going to be linking up the videos on this particular video, so you can go ahead and watch them and see how to use this top loader washing machine, because we've already discovered that the baby care program goes with the hot water temperature, so and mine is not connected to any heater, so take note of that, guys. So we are currently done with washing, rinsing, and now it's about to spin, guys. So if you see at the beginning of the video, I just added detergent, but it was just now that I came and I saw the softener slots. I didn't remember that I forgot to put softener here. So ensure you watch my previous videos. I'm going to be linking them up in this video. Ensure you watch them so you can see how I apply clothes softener, what a clothes softener is and what it does. You understand? Yeah. So this is just the spin process. It's just to remove excess water from the clothes, and after that it will be done with the whole process. So since I can't use the hot water temperature here because mine is not connected to hot water, I think the only special thing I can do, because they are baby clothes, is to add maybe Dettol during the rinse when it's rinsing the clothes. Do you understand? So guys, ensure you hit the like button. Watch my other videos to see how to use this washing machine. I've done videos on how to use it manually. That is, if you don't have it plugged to running water, maybe you don't have running water in your house, I made a video where you can pour in buckets of water and use it. I've done videos answering how to do with certain errors that could pop up while using this washing machine, how to do with the E4 error, the E1 error, the UN error, and so many other things. So just ensure you watch the videos and help yourself to whatever it is that you need with this washing machine. You see that it's spinning. It's not shaking my washing machine. My washing machine is firm. So I've talked about these things in my other videos. So make sure you hit the like button if you find this video useful, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Then also share this video. So the process has ended, and once it ends, it goes off automatically. That's how it works. So let's take a look at the clothes. You can see clothes are properly washed. These are all baby clothes, light color, and yeah. So guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Hello guys, so this is another day. So this is also my baby's clothes that I'm washing, but I'm using the fuzzy setting. Remember, I just discovered yesterday that since mine is not connected to hot water, therefore I can just use only the cold temperature with fuzzy. But since these are my baby clothes, so this is what I do. This is what I do to make it hygienic for my baby, right? So I usually pause it when it's rinsing now. I pause it, open it, and then I have an antiseptic. I just add it to the water, because this is what I do when I was hand washing it. But since I'm not hand washing, I now have to add it here manually. So it continues the rinse. That's all I'm doing differently for my baby's clothes. That's all I'm doing differently for my baby's clothes. So guys, if you found this video useful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Then if you'd like to see the whole process of washing with this particular type of top loader washing machine, make sure you watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Guys, remember, I am not an expert. I'm just someone who has this washing machine, and I'm teaching others I'm showing others how I use mine, helping them. But disclaimer guys, I am not an expert, so I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your machine.